Hello friends, in this video I'm going to teach you how to register in the SLEX Exchange. Go to TradingFinder website, in the Exchanges section, go to a SLEX profile. Click on Go to Website. Then we enter the registration section. Enter your email plus password, which I recommend you to use uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, plus minimum 8 characters or more. Repeat your password in order to confirm it. If you have a referral code, enter it here. Verify that you're not a robot. Check this box to agree into the terms and conditions of the website. Finally, click on register. We're gonna receive a code in our email. Go to your email in a SLEX profile, copy the code, then paste it here. Click on submit. We successfully signed up, and to log into your account, click here. Enter your email and password. Verify that you're not a robot. Then click on login. Enter a code that you receive it in your email again. Go to your email in the SLEX profile, copy the code, then paste it here. Click on submit. Then we enter our account's dashboard. Our account has been created. Good luck.